Hey, mom, and
Stop.
whatever your name
What's
is.
up, everybody?
What would you like? What would you like, guys?
Could I get a one?
Yeah. And
So can I get some some hot chocolate and some pancakes?
yes. And that'll be about 5 minutes. Can you wait that?
Yep.
Alright, they want waffles and pancakes. Barbara, how's that going?
Good. Oh, that was
Make sure they're not burned, bro. Make sure they're not burned.
Yeah, they're not. It's about
Because last
3
time I got
minutes, I think.
spanked with the boss's spatula, bro.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna give that drinks.
It should be done.
Hello, and here's the hot chocolate. And here's your food.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, guys. Yes, bro, we did it, bro. We did it.
Lewis and Riley, get to my office now!
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Riley, you have been messing up people's orders. I'd had enough of you.
What?
You are fired. Get out.
What did I give them? What did I
Get
give
out
them?
now. You're fired.
Sorry.
Lewis, you have been burnt the food. There's like been bugs in there. We're getting low stars. You're fired. Get out.
No. Bro, you're stupid. I told you not burn the food, and you legit burnt the food.
What do you mean? I burnt the food. I didn't.
Bro, you let the bugs in there, dipshit.
Nah, you are the one that.
Messed up their orders, buddy. Not my fault that the star legit didn't even say anything. I didn't even hear it. I'm dead.
Let's just Ew. That's disgusting. I'm giving this place a 1 star.
Hey, sir. Any money? Any money, please? Please.
I don't have any money.
I have some money, bro.
Thank you. I really need this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm nervous, bro.
I know. What's
I'm nervous to tell Dad, bro, as well. He's gonna spank us.
Welcome back, guys.
Hey, Mom.
Hi. So how was work?
We got fired.
How did y'all get fired?
Oh,
we
What
got
is it?
fired. We don't have any money.
yeah, we don't have any money. Well, I used to have money, but
We gave it away from
what did you spend it
on? Just leave my house right now.
Go now. Run! Go quick!
There has been a report of 2 dead people in the basement. The sons are missing. We don't know who the killers are, but hopefully we find out.
Run! Go quick!
Breaking news, there has been a report of 2 bodies found in the basement. We are still looking for the suspects, but the police says they have found one of them, but the other one's on the loose. Who knows who's the other one's gonna do? Here are the pictures of the first criminal. We are still looking for the second ones. Who knows who is coming next? Did y'all hear that? How to cut this scene out? Let me go check. I wonder what was that noise. Hey!
Where you going then?
No.
Come on. Come on, let's get it out of here. Let's go.
Quick!
gonna kill everyone in. Oh shit! What did you? No.
Hold still. Let me take a picture. Put your hands
Bro,
up
my
now!
brother Die, bro.
Now!
Please, bro.
You two, grab him.
Please, bro. Please.
Wait!
Okay, come on. You're going to jail.
Stay still. I need to take a
Come
picture.
on. With right.
Hope you guys
Hope
enjoyed
you
the
enjoyed
movie.
the video.
Have a nice day.
Ah!
If this didn't do it on the calculator, it's blood.